Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to show you how I got this bomb clip-in unit in under 2 hours. So the hair we're using today is from Wondess hair, and I've worked with them before and they had amazing hair. This is their Peruvian straight. I told you guys I was going to be trying out a few of their textures and letting you guys know exactly how they are. And straight out of the pack, like, you guys, this hair is so nice. It's very full. It has a nice luster. And what I really like about their hair is the color as well. Like, their hair comes black. It's like not jet black, but it's dark to the point of where I don't have to color my extensions to match my own hair, because my natural hair is very dark. And you get a nice amount of hair on your bundle, and the wefts look really good, nice and thin if you want to flip them. So to make your unit, you're going to need a dome cap, a plastic cap, some bonding glue, a wig stand, and also a wig head. Like, these are just the necessities you need to do this. And this right here is my hair, and I have it braided in some big old braids, and this is the amount of leave out I'm going to have on the sides and the front. So what you want to go ahead and do is put your dome cap on. And then you want to take a Sharpie, one of those like light colored Sharpies. Figure out where your braids are around your leave out. And this is going to be like your guideline to get your wig to be like the perfect fit. You can see me right now outlining the areas of where my wig is going to stop. And, you know, this is just how I measure my caps for my head to make them fit perfectly. So after you're done doing that, you want to go ahead and put a plastic cap on your wig head to protect it, and then put your dome cap right on top of that. And then I just like to pin down the sides just so my cap doesn't move while I'm making my unit. Next, you want to go in with your hair glue, and this is like my little method. I like to lay out a strip of glue first before I add my actual glue track. Now, you just want to follow your guidelines when making the wig. It's pretty simple. You can see in the video exactly what I'm doing. I just basically do the same process over and over until I fill up the entire wig. Like, it's really simple. I lay the glue, then I lay the glue track. And I like to do this double glue process because it helps the wig stay. Like, you guys, I could wash this wig and it won't move. No need to sew your wig, you know, if you don't have time to. I like to do this sometime because, you know, I do a lot of hair videos and I wear a lot of hair. And sometimes I just ain't got the time. And if this lasts just as long and I can, you know, reuse my units over and over, this works. So basically you just want to keep adding your tracks, kind of like in a V shape. I don't really do U parts. I do more of a V part, and that'll allow for me to have the least amount of leave out and everything lays flat. And make sure you use your blow dryer, you guys. That's really important as well. And this is what it looks like when I'm done. It's nice and smooth and flat and silky. This hair is amazing from Wondess hair. Like, you guys got to check them out. They're about to have a Black Friday sale, and I suggest you guys hop on it because their hair is bomb. It's unlike any of the affordable hairs I've tried, honestly. So now I'm adding some layers in the front of the wig because this is like 30 inches and I wanted a little bit of layering. And now I'm going to put some curls in it, like all over. I want to see how this hair held a curl, and as you guys can see, it holds a really nice curl. You know, I'm just so impressed with their hair. Like, oh my god, it feels so good, like straight out of the pack. I love it. Look at the bounce. Like, their hair is beautiful. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out those curls. Y'all, you should have seen my face while I was you know, filming this. I'm so amazed with their hair. It's unlike any of the other affordable brands, I promise you. This is definitely one of my top favorite hair companies. And once you're done styling your wig, go ahead and peel off that plastic cap. And now we're going to go ahead and cut off the remaining part of the cap. And be careful when you're doing this. You don't want to cut, you know, any of your wefts, but go ahead and just cut around the whole wig. This is what I like to do. I don't leave the elastic band on. And now I'm going to add my clips, and I got these clips from Amazon or eBay, but these are my favorite kind to use, the really small ones, and they're very comfortable. And I usually just apply clips around the entire perimeter of the wig. Like, this is what I do. And now I'm going to show you guys how I clip it on. I already flat ironed my leave out, and I just opened the clip and slide it kind of up under that really loose braid that I do. And you guys, this is all I do, and it looks like a sew-in. It looks like, you know, it looks like I just spent hours on my hair, but I didn't. You just secure your wig all around your head, and look, you guys, I can't even talk. Like, this hair is amazing. It blends so good with my natural hair, and all I did was flat iron my hair. My hair is natural, and just look at the body on it. Like, this hair is gorgeous. It's nice and dark. It's shiny, but it doesn't have that high silky shine where it looks fake. This looks like I have some super expensive hair in right now, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm doing this voiceover some days after I've been wearing the hair, and I've been sleeping in this hair because I want to see, you know, just how it tangles and sheds. You guys, literally no tangles and basically no shedding. Like, the next texture I'm going to try from them is their curly hair. Like, it's a tighter curly, and I know you guys are going to be super excited for that. So if you guys are interested in Wondess hair, please check the description bar below. Links to everything will be down there. And don't forget, you guys, they are going to have a huge Black Friday sale, so don't miss it. Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And yeah, you guys, I'm just loving this hair. Her wig is very secure. Like, she's not coming off. It's not coming off unless somebody like literally snatches your wig. She's not coming off. It's flowy, it's long, it's so bouncy, it's so nice. Like, it looks good. When Ricky came home, he gave me compliments on it, and he doesn't even like when I usually wear like super long hair, but he loves this hair. And you also can put this wig in a ponytail. So thanks so much for watching this video, you guys. Please don't forget to thumb me up, comment below, and subscribe. Let me know if you love my hair videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.